Week 3 topics. This week topic deals with layouts. When we start to design, the works every time layout is a good start. In chapter 3, the authors discuss 6 parts of the works every time layout, starting with the size of layout, the number of columns, location of visuals, text, headline, context, and tags. This layout works well for simple projects or even a complex design if it breaks down into a single page. Whichever layout you create, make sure it does not fail to communicate the objectives. When we talk about communication, keep in mind that communication is a two-way process. Check out Shannon and Weaver model of communication. This model is designed to develop the effective communication between sender and receiver. The model deals with many concepts that influence the effective communication we need to think about when it comes to design. Now look around you and see if any ad or flyer communicate well or not, or what can be done differently. Enjoy your reading and see you in our week 2 discussion.